Good morning, all. This is Jack from Charging the Markets Crypto, and this is the pre-market webinar for the morning of Wednesday, the 19th of February. All right, let's have a look. Okay, looking at Bitcoin. Well, actually, I'll start with Solana because the real news was on Solana. Obviously, Solana's had a couple of things which have been knocking its reputation lately. There was the Trump coin, there was the Melania coin, and then there was this fraud from the which seems to have come from the president of Argentina last week. And this has basically given a news dive to Solana. Now, it was already in a downtrend, of course. We came pretty close to testing the 3SD lower band yesterday. No current positive divergence. We could have set up some, but I'm leaning towards seeing a retest of this low, set up some positive divergence. Don't necessarily have to do that, of course. We quite often don't get a buy signal here. And positive divergence here when we see a low, but we do have a candidate low here. We're down into pretty decent level of support. We got down to 160. On the hourly chart, we had an RSI 14 buy signal brewing for quite a while, and that's now fixed. And we reached a possible trend line, which we underthrew slightly. I'm wondering whether we might be hitting short-term low here. In the short term, we've got a little IHS, which has formed and broken up with a target in about the 184 area, and we do have a potential trendline target. This declining resistance is currently up in about the 187 area and declining, of course, and I'm thinking we may well be heading back up into this trendline here. Possibly break it. Ideally, we would break it, retest the low, and then go. And deliver a larger rally. But this latest one was a news decline. It wasn't greatly shared in Bitcoin and Ethereum. I'm expecting to see a retest of really at least 50%. That would get us back up into about the 182 area, and I think that looks like a very credible target from here. So we shall see. All right, great. Let's have a look at Bitcoin. Right, Bitcoin followed a little yesterday. We're still well below the daily middle band. We're still in full downtrend territory on all of them. We've got a little potential double bottom here, but it's not great. But it's not awful either. So we could see a sustained break below 98.6 could get us back up into this 102.6 area, and that again could get us back to declining resistance. Does this look like an overall bull flag? Not greatly so, no. Could be a triangle maybe, but at a relatively early stage. We will see how it goes. But what this could be, if we see a turn down, this could be a double top with support at 89.2 and a target on the downside in the 69.3 area, I think. All right, so we will see how that goes. Looking at Ethereum, we have again, we're holding the daily middle band as resistance, firmly on downtrend on all of them. I was saying on Friday that really I'm leaning towards seeing a retest of the lows here on Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I think we may well see that. This Solana thing has been complicating things for the last day. In the short term, we've got no obvious pattern here on Ethereum. It's just been drifting sideways. So we shall see. But the real news today is on Solana, where we have a pretty decent looking setup to get back here into about the 182, 183 area. And that's where it's close to where declining resistance is. And that would be a 50% retrace of this news spike down. If we can get beyond it, I think we may retrace the whole news spike down and go back to 205. So we shall see. All right, great. In that case, I think that's a wrap. I will catch you guys tomorrow, and should be an interesting day. If I can, I'll get a post out on cryptos today. All right, brilliant. See you tomorrow morning.